Was Moshe Rabbeinu, Moses, reluctant to accept the role of taking the Jewish people out of Egypt because he was afraid? And if he was afraid, what was he afraid of? Let us explore this in a moment, but first, to say thank you to Hashem. Mizmoir l'soida, hariyu l'Adonai kol haaretz. Ivdu es Adonai b'simcha b'oi lefanav b'nono. Du k'Adonai elohim hu asanu v'lo anachna mitzvah marisai. B'oi yishor b'soida chatzroisa b'sila hoida lebachu shumoi. Ki toiv Adonai le'olam chazdoi v'yadoi v'der emunasoi. Friends, pick up a coin, pick up a bill, whatever you have, anything. Let's give some tzedakah. The power of tzedakah is second to none. Not that it replaces any other mitzvahs, but it is a very powerful mitzvah. We cannot say, look, I'm going to not do certain things, but then I'm going to give some tzedakah. This doesn't work. But the mitzvah of tzedakah itself is the most powerful one. Having said this, let me just focus on the name of the parsha and the word of the parsha. The parsha starts this week with the word boy. Vayomer Hashem el Moshe, and God says to Moshe Rabbeinu, boy el paroi, come to Pharaoh. Because I hardened his heart, should know he's stubborn. I'm making him stubborn. And we'll continue with the plagues till eventually it's going to break him. But just let's stop for a moment here. God is telling Moshe, boy el paroi, come to paroi, or go to paroi. Come means you come to me, you're coming with me. But that's not the case. God has been sending Moshe Rabbeinu to go deal with paroi, confront him. So the Rabbi discusses this in many sichos, extensive discussion of Chassidic teaching, and it says that indeed Moshe Rabbeinu was afraid. Moshe Rabbeinu was afraid of not Pharaoh as an individual, but what Pharaoh represents. Yes, Pharaoh was a tyrant. Pharaoh was an egomaniac. Pharaoh only cared about himself and his own folie de grandeur. But it says in Kabbalah, the word Pharaoh means isperiun, kuli alma. Pharaoh, which also represents wildness, arrogance, self-inflation, to the point that Pharaoh says, I'm self-made man, I'm a self-creation. But this comes from an extremely high source of godliness, which is eventually fallen into the impurity of Pharaoh. So Moshe Rabbeinu was afraid to enter that source. He knew to destroy Pharaoh, he must enter this source of the evil, which is called Hatanin Agadol, the great serpent, the great fish. Moshe Rabbeinu was afraid to go there. Says God, you're not going alone. I understand that you're afraid, but you're not going alone. Boy el paroi, come with me. You do your part. You have to come, you have to go, you have to have the courage. You have to do your confrontational discussion with Paroi, but you're not there alone. I am there with you. Not only am I protecting you, I'm there to make sure that you succeed in your mission. The Jewish people are confronting today a huge peril. a world of confusion, a world of immorality, a world of hypocrisy, where the Jewish people are being attacked from all over. For what? For defending themselves from barbarians. How do we confront this? Says God, Boyel Paroi, you keep on bringing the message of truth. You keep on telling Paro, we want our freedom because we want to serve Hashem. We're not interested in fighting you. We want to be free to serve Hashem. You keep on going this message, I will make sure you succeed. Not only will you succeed in protecting yourself, but you will succeed in transforming Pharaoh. And that's what Mashiach is all about.